Anas from Ethiopia, who asked again praying on bed because he doesn't have a place to pray in. Even though the question was asked more than once, 3 times, and I followed up by asking, and why do you have to pray on bed? He says, I can find a room. So I would assume that is true. But there is always a masjid nearby in the place that you're living in. And I cannot imagine that you enter any place where there is not even a room to sit down or for a chair. But I would assume you're right. Praying on the bed, if the bed is hard like a blanket or a comfort, that is permissible. But praying on a sponge mattress where your face will sink in it, that is not permissible. Step outside in front of the building, put your janamaz, your prayer rug, and offer the prayer. May Allah make it easy for all of us.